Hello my friends, it's Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. I spent just under $112 for everything that you see here on my table. I'm going to ask that you don't mind the mess you see in the background. It is Sunday evening and we have yet to clean up. So ignore that, focus on what's on the table. So this is a week's worth of groceries. I did the Walmart pickup as usual. And let's just get started. So I got an 8-pack of hot dog buns and 2 loaves of white bread. That should get us through the week. I picked up some dishwasher cleaner. It is the beginning of the month and I always run a dishwasher cleaner cycle and a washing machine cleaning cycle at the beginning of the month. So there's that. I also was out of Jet Dry. This was actually open and leaking in my bag. So it's only like 3/4 of a bottle instead of a full bottle. That sucks, but it is what it is. It happens. I haven't actually tried the Cascade Platinum Rinse Aid before, but we'll see how that works. I got some thick sliced bacon so we can do some club sandwiches this week. Some egg noodles. We are going to have some ground beef stroganoff. Actually, I think we're going to do venison stroganoff this week. Bananas. I got some beefsteak tomatoes. Robbie is helping me out here and putting stuff away as I go, so you might hear and see him in the background. Lettuce for those BLTs or club sandwiches, whichever. Some country gravy packets and some country fried steak that's on the menu this week. We're going to serve that with some steak fries. Picked up a 6-pack of Dr. Pepper. Decided to have that this week for a change. I usually get the Diet Coke. Cream of mushroom soup, that's for the ground beef stroganoff. Some no bean chili. We're going to do chili dogs one night this week. Strawberry Pop-Tarts and some brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts. My favorite sausage and gravy breakfast bowls. Picked up some Rice Krispie treats and some orange cupcakes for some sweet treats for the week. Also got some graham crackers. Chicken nuggets for the kiddos for snacks after school. Some seasoned French fries. Some vanilla yogurt, a couple of things of cottage cheese here, and some sour cream. I got 2 things of the original coffee creamer, 1 of the peppermint bark. The Great Value coffee creamers are our favorite. Some Ready Whip, that was actually a substitution for some Great Value whipped cream, that's for on my coffee. Kids asked for Fruity Pebbles this week, so I got those. Also needed some more cat food. I picked up some of these Great Value nacho cheese tortilla chips for Austin. He asked for those. Also some original potato chips. A gallon of milk. This is our favorite coffee. It's the Donut Shop coffee from Great Value. And lastly, a whole bunch of tea. So I got 3 of the unsweetened for my husband. And now Austin has jumped on the Pure Leaf bandwagon and loves this tea, but he likes the sweet tea variety, so I picked that up for him. I'm going to have to start making my own tea. This is getting out of hand. But that is it for my weekly grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!